Welcome back, everybody. The focus here is on what I like to call fouls. And what a foul is that it's a major error in grammar. And fouls cannot happen in college writing nor in writing in your career. Now, the reason I call them fouls is that just like in basketball, if you accumulate too many fouls in a game, then you foul out. So how does that tie in with writing? If when you're writing and you pick up too many fouls, then it doesn't matter how many points that you score, you're not playing the game. In other words, you fouled out. Right? Readers can recognize these fouls. The major errors, the fouls that we have, are spelling, homophones, sentence structure errors, which are comma splice, fragment, and run-on, errors with verbs, which are subject, verb agreement, verb tense, and then errors with pronouns, which are pronoun agreement and pronoun case. Now you'll notice here that have a document opened up, right? I always like to talk people through using the computer to help recognize fouls. And this is part of what I like to call working smarter, not harder. So now I have a blank document here, and as long as we're talking here, please be sure everything that you turn in needs to be Times New Roman 12. Then under paragraph, set it for double space. Then do you see this box here? Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Please check that box and then click OK. And then you're ready to roll. Now, in the upper left-hand corner, if you click on File, right, then go down to Options. Okay, you see that? Good. Now, click Proofing. Okay, right, and so now we're getting deep into MS Word. And why this is buried in Microsoft Word, I don't know. In my opinion, it should not be hidden as such. So inside of Proofing, you'll see where it says Writing Style, Grammar, click Settings. Now, in this little box here, this little teeny tiny writing, this is some really amazing stuff, right? I'm going to go in and check these different boxes. Ooh, look what that was. Comma splice, that's a foul. Guess what I'm telling the computer to do? Pronoun case, incorrect verb form. I am telling the computer to underline subject verb agreement. Look at this, verbs. I'm telling the computer to go in and underline sentence structure, wordiness, guys. Look at this. Cliches. Go in and make sure that these boxes are checked. Now, what's going to happen is that, and then click OK, and then click OK. Now, what's going to happen is that Microsoft Word will then underline things with a little squiggly. You might have seen a little squiggly before. You'll be writing in either red or green ink. It'll go in and then put a little squiggly underneath things. So this is what I like to call, working smarter, not harder. So go in, follow those steps, and let Microsoft Word pick up some of the fouls for you. It'll flag them, and then you have to go in and fix them. So that's what we're talking about here, is avoiding fouls.